So this is my video presentation for Enhancement-4. This is my Acme product page. When I click in add new product, I can select the category. I will add a product. So now I will click in add product, and I will check if that product is in my database, in my inventory table. The last product is this one, and all the information that I could add. It is working, the Acme connection. And now I will tag and add new category. I will put row, add category, and now row is in my navigation. And also in categories I have row. So all is working, and it's working the connection with the database. And in the CSS I just have this arrow, but I never add the WebKit, so I have no idea what is. And in the HTML I just have a warning, but I'm not sure also why I have that warning about made a new name viewport. So that is all my video presentation. Thanks.